comes to the main elevator at the South Hills Village Mall in Bethel, Pennsylvania. Here it comes. It's a Schindler. Here it is. Oh.
You got away, baby.
Dad, I'll see you down here. Let's get in. Oh, the indicator's out. Go to. Oop. Yes. Re-level. Go to U2. Wow. Nice view. Here we are, UL. That indicator's out. Go to L1. There you go.
Which one?
There you go.
Thank you.
Darkle's works. Phone's locked. It's a nice elevator along this view. There are your fixtures. They're RT, which is one of my favorite. This is so awesome. A Westinghouse RT. No wait, this was before. This after they were bought out. Takes a while to level. Takes a while. Love this button. Watch that burn out. There it goes in.